Tech Future. Explore the future today.
Welcome to Tech Future. In this video, we take a look at amazing robot animals. The German company Festo has created a robotic bee, adding to its impressive collection of robotic spiders, dragonflies, and butterflies. Engineers at Festo are also teaching these robotic bees to fly in swarms, currently with a maximum of 10. Imagine how incredible it would be to see hundreds or even thousands of these robots in flight. However, it may be a while before we see that, as each robotic bee is carefully crafted by hand. Despite this, the technology remains awe-inspiring. Each bee weighs only 34 grams, with a body length of 22 centimeters and a wingspan of 24 centimeters. The wings can tilt 180 degrees forward and backward. The bees are powered by an electric motor, and their movements are coordinated by a computer that tracks the trajectory of each individual in the swarm in real time. EvoLogix was established with a clear mission to create and manufacture cutting-edge innovations for offshore and underwater industrial projects. With such an ambitious goal, it's no surprise that the German company turned to robotics. Enter Quadron, a sleek and impressive robot inspired by the agile penguin. Penguins are exceptional swimmers and divers, and Quadron is no different. It can reach speeds of up to 18 kilometers per h and has a battery life of 10 hours. It's also capable of carrying up to 3 kilograms of equipment, allowing it to collect a vast array of data, from temperature and water quality to images of the sea floor. Thanks to its advanced programming, Quadron can even swim in fully autonomous mode along a predetermined route. Shanghai Haichang Ocean Park is home to over 30,000 rare marine creatures and a bionic whale shark. That's right, it's not a real shark, but an extremely advanced robot, measuring 4.7 meters long and weighing 350 kilograms. This robot shark can swim at a speed of 0.7 m per s and dive to depths of up to 10 meters. It moves its gills in a spectacular way and can maneuver either autonomously or under the control of a remote operator. The shark was developed by employees of one of the institutes at the China Aerospace Science and Technology Corporation. The idea behind it is not only to entertain park guests, but also to collect information about water quality and take stunning photos. Xiaomi is also making strides in the world of robotics. While Americans have Cybertrucks, the Chinese have unveiled the second generation of their very own Cyberdog, aptly named Cyberdog 2. This bionic robot dog has shed some weight, now tipping the scales at 8.9 kilograms, and is equipped with Xiaomi CyberGear drives that enable it to perform impressive somersaults. With the addition of the Fusion system, which includes 19 sensors for vision, touch, and hearing, Cyberdog 2 can accurately map its surroundings in real time and navigate with ease. It can reach speeds of up to 1.6 m per s. All of these advancements are certainly noteworthy, but it seems that real dogs may be starting to sense some competition. Evologics team from Germany has unveiled another project, MANORAY, a truly electric stingray. The German Federal Ministry for Economic Affairs and Energy played a crucial role in its creation, not just for fun, but for a specific purpose. The country needed a robot to explore and monitor hard-to-reach underwater areas, and MANORAY was up to the task. Equipped with an array of equipment including cameras, sonars, and sampling systems, this robot can swim as close as 20 centimeters from the bottom and easily maneuver in areas with ridges, crevices, and reefs that are difficult for traditional submersibles. Remember Festo, the German company that creates robotic bees and other insects? They also work on larger projects, such as the bionic kangaroo. This design is particularly interesting because it includes a regeneration system that uses the energy from one jump to power the next one. The bionic kangaroo can jump 80 centimeters in length and 40 centimeters in height, and it weighs just under 7 kilograms. It can even be controlled with gestures via Bluetooth using a special wristband. According to Festo, the robot showcases the efficient and intelligent integration of pneumatic and electric drive technology into one system. Can you think of any creative uses for the bionic kangaroo? Imagine strolling through the streets of North France and coming across a massive elephant made of steel and wood, weighing in at a staggering 48.4 kilograms, roughly the same as 8 African bush elephants. This whimsical creation, known as the Grand Elephant, was inspired by the works of Jules Verne, who was born in Nantes. It takes tourists on a leisurely 30-minute ride through the city, moving at a slow and steady pace of 3 miles per hour. The elephant can carry up to 50 passengers at a time in 2018. The Grand Elephant became even more eco-friendly as it was fitted with a hybrid engine. A ticket for this unique and unusual mode of transportation will set you back $10. Yu, a skilled craftsman from Hong Kong, creates robots that may be smaller in size, but are nonetheless very impressive. His creations include a lobster and a hermit crab, both of which require meticulous attention to detail and a large number of parts. As a result, each project can take up to a month to complete. Yu also assembles individual robot components, such as a crab claw. It's exciting to imagine what kind of creations he might come up with in the future. We've already seen a robotic pony, so it's time to raise the stakes. For that, we're heading back to Japan to check out a company called JRA. They're in charge of the racetracks and betting shops associated with horse racing, and they've found a creative way to advertise their business using robotic horses. These robotic horses behave just like real animals, shaking their heads, flicking their ears, and even whinnying. According to some reviewers, one of these four-legged wonders can cost around $865,000, which is more expensive than many real horses. However, with a robot, you can spend the whole day at a shopping center without any worries, or even turn it into a museum exhibit. In 2014, Trino the dragon made history not by joining the red list of threatened species, but by earning a spot in the Guinness Book of World Records as the largest walking robot on Earth. At 15 meters long and 11 tons, Trino is a true behemoth, and as any self-respecting dragon should, it can breathe fire at a distance of over 1.5 meters. A 140-horsepower turbo diesel engine, over a kilometer of wires, and over 300 meters of hydraulic lines were required to get this massive creature moving. Trino plays a crucial role in the folk play Drachenstich, or Slaying the Dragon, which has been performed in the German town of Fürth im Wald for over 500 years. One has to wonder, will a robot knight slay this robot dragon in the next 50 years? Engineer Hitoshi Takahashi began building a robot in 1997 and finally unveiled it to the public in 2008. His 11 years of hard work certainly paid off, as he became the proud owner of a giant horned beetle robot named Kabuto RX-03. Measuring 11 meters in length and weighing a massive 17 tons, this robot can move at a speed of up to 4 kilometers per hour and even emits impressive puffs of smoke. It can accommodate up to 7 people, including the driver. Takahashi and his creation have been featured on many Japanese TV shows and festivals, and it's hard to believe that this impressive robotic bug is just a hobby project. Perhaps the Japanese government should consider commissioning a larger model from the engineer to fend off Godzilla. Long ago, the Titanoboa snake slithered across our planet. Scientists say that these 15-meter giants were close relatives of the boa constrictor and, despite their size, only ate fish. The snake you see on the screen is a modern-day reincarnation of the Titanoboa and an art project aimed at raising awareness about climate change, which is believed to have caused the extinction of the real Titanoboa. To build this robot, a team from Canada used 8 Arduino Mega microcontrollers and motors with a total of 25 horsepower. The result is a snake that can crawl at speeds of up to 4 km/h and entertain the public for up to 60 minutes on a single charge. The creator's website states that they are looking for a museum, gallery, or tech expo to display the robot. Can you think of a suitable place? What do you think about these amazing inventions? We're looking forward to hearing your opinions in the comments. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like our channel and subscribe.